Okay, I don't have any internet connection, so you're going to have a shaky video. So after about a 30-minute hike, which was quite strenuous, I'm here with Vincent, who's brought me to this wonderful place, and I must have passed about 15 great places to sketch, and we finally arrived here at these waterfalls here, and so we're going to stay here for a few hours and sketch. I can see at least 1, 2 and possibly 3 places there which I want to sketch here. So more on this later. The sun keeps coming out and casting that area there in a nice green light. I'll try and catch it even on a photograph. But I've started my sketch. I'm going very slowly indeed. There we go, and the sun's come out again. I'm sorry for the shaking. I'm just a little cold because I got a little bit sweaty walking up. And there's Vincent. Okay, so we're going to stop and have something to eat. It's just a little cold where we are. Oops, drawing. I've got to put in some more darks. I keep going darker and darker, that's fine. I've got my lights where I want them. I've got a bit of sunshine coming. There's a bit of sunshine now as well. So here's a nice spot. I'm finding nice spots all along this trail. I guess it's going to be a little bit like that on the AT. Vincent's gone off to find something else. Alright, just make my chair on a straight piece. We've both settled down a little bit more now in the painting. Came from up there, and I'm going to, there I am, look. I don't like putting my bag onto the ground. I normally carry a sack, but Vincent's there, he's got it there because he's forgot his chair. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Let me just take a photograph before I start.